everyone, and welcome back to UZEX News on UzReport TV channel. Today in our edition can get acquainted with the latest exchange news as well as with the exchange market of cement for 2023. In the beginning of our program, we traditionally offer you the results of trades on all trading platforms of UZEX market and definitely the price dynamics of the top commodity positions. These were the main indicators of UZEX exchange over the past week. Now let's dwell on to the latest exchange news. In accordance with decree of the President of Uzbekistan number PF 205 dated December 12, 2023, a separate section for the sale of raw cotton based on futures contracts was created at the Uzbek Commodity Exchange. This in turn ensured the formation of prices for cotton based on transparency and market principles and also contributed to the development of a competitive environment in this market. In particular, in January-February 2024, about 28,000 farms sold over 1.7 million tons of cotton through exchange trading. Based on the results of past exchange trading, the average price for raw cotton was 8.2 million soums per ton. At the same time, the exchange price for cotton increased due to the auction by an average of 6% relative to its starting price, 7.8 million soums per ton. From November 2024, cotton harvested in excess of the fulfillment of the futures contract will be sold on the basis of spot contracts through exchange trading. In addition, in accordance with the resolution of the President of Uzbekistan PP 156 dated May 12, 2023, a separate green energy section was organized at the Uzbek Commodity Exchange intended for the sale of green energy certificates in exchange trading. In February of this year, Uzbek Hydro Energy joint stock company sold the first 2,000 green certificates in this section of the exchange. The first exchange quote for the certificate was 13,360.1 soums per certificate. Let's move on to a separate segment of the UZEX exchange trade platform, and generally let's look more properly the price dynamics and the exchange market of cement for 2023. In general, during the period under review, balance was observed on this exchange market. In 2023, the volume of cement sales through exchange trading amounted to 4 million tons, which is 43% less than the previous year. The average monthly sales volume over the past year was about 325,000 tons. The highest rate of production and sales of cement was observed in the months of March, as we can see on the screen, when sales volume reached 480,000 tons at the Uzbek Commodity Exchange. According to the structure of cement sales in terms of sellers, the leading position is occupied by Ahangaran Cement Joint Stock Company with 24%, as we can see on the screen. The second position here is taken by Joint Stock Company Kızılkum Cement, which has decreased its position from 40 to 20% and takes the second position at the Uzbek Commodity Exchange, especially in the segment of manufacturers. It's worth to mention that the third top leadership position here is taken by two joint stock companies, Bekabad Cement and Kuvasay Cement. Both of them take 1% each on manufacturing cement and performing at the Uzbek Commodity Exchange. And the total share of other sellers was 54%, as we can see on the screen. So let's go to the next diagram for today, and this is going to be the cement types. And as we can see on the screen, the best top leadership position here is taken by PC, the second AI 32.5N, which goes with 49% at the Uzbek Commodity Exchange. The second position here is taken by PC 42.5N, which goes with 21%. And the third top leadership position here is taken by two commodity types, and it's worth to mention about PC, the second AI 32.5N D0M 400. It goes with 5%, and PCI 42.5N also goes with 5% at the Uzbek Commodity Exchange trading platform. Others are going less than 90%. So let's go and look more properly at the prices. And throughout the past period, cement prices were formed exclusively according to market rules of supply and demand. From the beginning of the year to the months of August, the cement market of the exchange as the whole showed growth, as we can see on the screen. Prices increased from 613.5 thousand soums per ton, as we can see on the screen, up to its maximum price position 683.2 thousand soums per ton, which is due to an increase in seasonal demand and a decrease in supply. Since September, against the backdrop of declining demand, the average price for cement began to decline. Thus, in the months of August-December, prices decreased from 683.2 thousand soums per ton down to 583.5 thousand soums per ton, as we can see on the screen, or by 14.5%. It should be noted that this is the minimum value for the entire past year. So let's go and look more properly at the regions, and it's worth to mention that an absolute leader on consuming cement at the Uzbek Commodity Exchange is definitely metropolitan area. Tashkent and Tashkent region for the moment takes almost 34% on consuming cement at the Uzbek Commodity Exchange. The second position here is taken by Surkhandarya region, which goes with 16.2%, and third top leadership position here is taken definitely by UZEX region, which goes with 11% on consuming cement. It's worth to mention about Samarkand region, which takes 10.4% on consuming cement at the Uzbek Commodity Exchange. These were all commands for today. Thank you for watching us and being with us. Do join us next week on UzReport TV channel, and definitely visit our website at www.uzex.uz. See you next week. Bye.